Hey, guess what? I'm in the freezer where we're shipping over here. Hey, who makes the best ice cream? Who's the best chef? Oh, Big Chaka in the freezer! Yes, sir! I stay in KTA, Hawaiian Produce. I got the supervisor here, Kenny. Kenny, who's the best chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, Big Chaka, Big Chaka. Yes, I wanna. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something really exciting. I'm here in the meat department. It's busy day. I'm gonna do a stir fry with this frozen rockfish. I'll just chop it up. Man, this frozen rockfish is found in the mainland. It's one of the cheaper fish, and I'm gonna try to make this cheap fish taste really good. Okay, it's all sliced just like this. Okay, what I do first, I put on my pan. And the pan. Put on the heat. Now I'm gonna use this Hawaiian Macadamia Nut Oil. You know, it's zero cholesterol, right? It's made here locally in Hilo. You know, it's great for salads, it's great for stir fry, it's great for frying, it's great for baking, it's great for everything. Okay? Dump some in here. Okay, so I have my fish that was cut off, right? Okay. Salt them up just like this. Okay. Get some garlic powder. Throw them up just like that. Put in some pepper. Dump in some shoyu. Okay. Mix it all up. Then you put in some sesame oil, just a little. You notice I got all big cans over here. Yeah? But this is the meat department. Big boys, big cans. Okay? Now remember, I get the oil real hot there. I use this no cholesterol Hawaiian oil, and it's good for many, many things. Okay? Now you hear them? You hear them sizzling? Huh? Like a going just like that. It's just about done. So now I put in a bag of chop suey vegetables right in there. Or you can get some frozen stir-fried vegetables or whatever you want. Kind of like mix it up all together like this. And then what, you know, you can use any fish. You can use ahi, you can use marlin, you can use anything, even poke, any kind of poke. You can use that, your leftover poke. And I add in some oyster sauce. Man, this thing here smells good already. Okay, let it go a little while. You like your vegetable crispy, you can take them out early. And what I'll do is I'll plate it up for you in my meat tray since I'm in the meat department. Okay, man, there you go. Look at this. Fish stir fry. Yeah. If I gotta look good, let me see how it tastes. Once you start eating them, you cannot stop. Burger's so warm. Alright guys, so I see you guys next week. Man, fish stir fry. Aloha.